Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. It's been a long plus 4 months since I didn't upload any reels or video in YouTube or Instagram. But here I am with my new boy, NEX. So what happened? First thing first, I'm sure you know guys, Iran get involved with a war for about 40 days, and due to security reasons, oh god, heavy traffic. No shortcut here. Yeah, there was a security reason. Internet was completely nationalized. Okay, so I didn't have access to YouTube or Instagram. Go this way. And because of that, oh, I came wrong direction. Oh, I can go there. So yes, because of that, I couldn't upload anything. And I know you may ask, so what happened after 40 days? So for 1 more plus months, and it was state nationalized. So it's 2 months up there, 2 months. And after that, I sold carry. If you heard right, I sold carry. I don't know these ways. Oh, now I know the way. I sold to Gary, my boy, my Honda Click 150. Actually, my pet. It wasn't fast for a boy, but you know, Gary has its own charm. It was very good for the Tehran crowded traffic city. But it was nimble, it was small and agile, but the thing is, it was too weak. Usually I had someone sit in my back seat, take my back seat, and it wasn't powerful enough. So I continue my talking after the red light. Hey, I saw Gary because it was too weak and the brake was awful. Let me calm down. And the brake was awful. Good. The next brake is in another league. You know, I never dared to go faster than 40 kilometers per hour because of the Gary's weak brake system. As you see, I hit the 50 in a small street and successfully managed to stop directly behind the red light. So it was the second reason, and the third reason was I want to change to a manual gearbox, not an automated one. So I bought NEX. So what is NEX actually? It is a Benelli TNT 150i or British brand BN 150 Benelli. This bike is a very popular bike in Iran. So I choose it too. Come here, I can hear the wind sound myself. I don't know what about you guys, so well, you know guys, I really didn't want to record a returning or comebacking video like this. I had a big project in my mind, but lots of reasons came and give it unwanted delay. The first thing first, I had to change the plate of NEX because I bought second-handed, it wasn't fresh, and it had some mechanical failure. I had to repair it. Then I got the call and I'm feeling okay for a couple of days. Yesterday I recorded a video but the sound wasn't good at all, and I decided to record it once again. So I came here. And it's enough. I keep my sound shut and enjoy the rest of the video with the music. And no need to hear my voice. First thing first, let me park somewhere. Play music for myself too. Okay, behind the red light is a good place. So stay behind the red light, then I'll play the music for myself and you guys too.
But that can erase all the past and the pettiness.